Look at this factory. It's far away from the fourth industrial revolution. How can we help it to reach Industry 4.0? Let's retrofit the factory with IoT solutions. It's not easy to manage vast amounts of data and control production processes simultaneously. This factory requires an interoperable system to cover customers' orders and boost productivity. Implementing Comarch IoT platform, a cloud database, and integrating it with ERP systems allows you to manage the whole production chain. Inappropriate delegation of tasks and poor workstation preparation lead to wasted time and money. How can this be prevented? The solution includes IoT ecosystem components. We're equipping assembly lines with industrial screens. You can see assembly instructions and verification of product completeness and quality of the product. This information is distributed using the IoT hub. Return messages from the production line are transferred to the ERP system and collected in the IoT platform. Actually, it's not outdated equipment that causes downtime and unexpected incidents. It's rather a result of the lack of connectivity between machinery. It means energy use can't be controlled and maintenance work cannot be properly planned or predicted. There is no need to replace every piece of machinery with brand new equipment. It's enough to equip each asset with sensors, such as Comarch beacons. Integration with Comarch IoT, business intelligence, and field service management enables the deployment of predictive maintenance models for the prevention of accidents and production downtime. We've already retrofitted a whole plant. If you are keen on deploying Industry 4.0 for your business, do not hesitate to contact our experts who are ready to offer the most convenient Comarch solutions for you.